Yes, I got a haircut, and yes, I look like Edna from The Incredibles, but I look cute while doing so don't judge. Hello. I don't know why I just did finger guns. The lighting is terrible. Maybe I should move you. Give me a sec. Oh, that's a good angle. Why did I do shit here? I feel like my lips are really numb. I look like Edna from The Incredibles. Hello everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And welcome back to part 2 of the Moving Chronicles. As you can clearly tell by the title, or maybe not, because I don't really know what I'm titling this one. As you can see by the intro, we'll say that. This video is kind of a mixture of different areas in the house that I am packing up. So basically in this video, I'll be packing up pop vinyls, not mine, packing up Corey's pop vinyls. I haven't done mine yet. They'll be coming in my bedroom pack. So you'll see that eventually, obviously. And then I do mum's wool. That's the main thing that we tried to tackle in this video. And then the games and DVDs that we all share, I guess. It's a bit of a mixed range of things in this video, but either way, I hope you guys enjoy it. This is part 2 of the moving vlogs, if you want to call them vlogs. I hope you guys are going to enjoy these. I loved editing this one for some weird ass reason. I don't know why. I think it's fun. I like editing these and filming these, and I think it's gonna be really fun to look back on and, you know, try and pinpoint what was the hardest part of this whole thing, because there's some things that I'm really nervous about doing, including my own room. Like these books are gonna be a challenge. If you want to know what happens in this video, you can just keep watching. Enjoy, guys.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
I look like a mess. It is currently the 23rd of January and I, for some reason, am sweating up a storm. That makes sense. So a lot of you guys have asked about this monstrosity. Ignoring the music in the background, but what I'm gonna do now, because I don't want to do anything because it's hot, it's 9 o'clock. Mum is getting rid of the top row, so I'm gonna take all that down and put it in a garbage bag, I think. Have fun, let's go. Wait, what's the best angle for this? You know I'm getting serious when the hair goes up, guys. Well, I should... Okay. Where's the thing gone? I have this thing. Let's get it! This is gonna be a task and a half, mate. How about I just put it all on the floor? That'd be a good start. Make a mess and then clean it up. This is so fun. Ooh. Yunk. Like Troy Bolton. Whee. You know what I love is I'm trying to think of basketballers and the first one that comes to my head is Troy frickin' Bolton. It's not even a real basketball. Ooh. Basketballer. That's really small. By the way, these cubes are from Kmart, if anyone is wondering. Not that you should be wondering, because I'm literally packing our house up. But if you are wondering, they're from Kmart. Whee! Oh, God. Oh, do I have to pick them up or can I just leave them there?
I don't think that's going to work.
Oh, come on, it looks pretty. Look, does that make you feel sad that they're all gone?
No, not right now.
Come on. Now these are jammed in there, dolls. That's what she's... Fuck, I keep breaking the paper.
Lucky the window's open.
Do you want the paper for it? Oh, fuck. Done. That looks pretty. Can I step on them? All of this is being donated. We're going to bag it up. Yeah? Look at that. I'll see you on the next day whenever I do something moving related. Move, honey. I gotta do the woo. Okay, don't move then. Does anyone know the date? Today is the 28th of Jan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tackle this. Enjoy. I'm not going to time lapse it, but I'm going to put music over it because obviously Corey's playing. I'm not going to talk or anything unless something dramatic happens. So you're not getting any chicken dolls. Last one, everyone. Look at it all. Look at this. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this storage down, so it's called, and then we're gonna stack Mum's wool containers against this wall. It's currently 4 o'clock, so let's go. Cat. That's our cat. Anyway, this is the outcome of Mum's little wall collection. So all these crates are from Spotlight. So this is how we're going to store them most likely at the new house. I actually like this setup more than, what would you call them, the wire shelves. This is Mum's collection. How do you feel, Mum? Hello.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
It is currently the 27th of January, currently 2 o'clock. Mother is packing up a little bit of her wool, and I have started to pack the small, like individual, loose, whatever you want to call it, the marble pot vinyls I have on these shelves here. Dad recommended that I would get a bunch of my own packaging boxes, which I've grabbed, which you've seen. These are just like large boxes already pre-made. I'm actually just going to use these and then just keep them. That's what I'm doing. So I guess enjoy whatever happens. When I finish it, I'll update you via talking, I guess. But I look naked, but I swear I'm not. I just dropped all of these. I'm going to talk about it. Hello everyone, Koi playing Toy Story. Sorry if you can hear that. However, it is currently almost 5:30. I've done 2 boxes, but I've done the pot vinyls. You guys saw that. About 6 little boxes full of my loose ones, and I just filled up 2 Smith chip boxes of the DVDs that were over there, if you can tell. There's still a couple there, but I want to start the boys' games because that's a lot of shit. So I have a box here that I've just made up, and I'm going to go grab some games. No particular order because I'm going to have to put them in order when we get to the other house. That's fine. I hate this already. Hello vlog, how are you? Dad's watching a TV show in the opposite room, so if you can hear that, I apologise. It's currently the 31st of January. I haven't really talked to you guys, so I thought I would show you guys an update of what I've done. What I've done with the pop vinyls, I think I might have shown you as well. This is the update. They're all mine, and this is what's happening. And then these are already packed. Here's Daddy-O.
Makes sense.
And I packed all the games as well, so all that is done as well. Nothing else in any of the other rooms is complete. I don't know how to feel about it, but that's what I've done so far. Pretty happy with the outcome. I just wanted to update you, like talking wise, because I haven't done that. I've just like showed you, I guess. It's almost a month to the day where we get the keys and stuff, so I'm quite excited, but I'm also a little bit petrified because I know the fact when it comes to be February, like middle of Feb, I'm going to be a bit more chaotic just because I know for a fact that I'm going to have to, you know, do the kitchen, do everything like that. So it's all coming together, I'm saying that now. So guys, that is the end of part 2 of the Moving Chronicles. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, it was so much fun. I kind of like had to cut around different days and stuff just because I did do one section, then did another section on a different day, and then went back to the first section. So it's kind of a bit scattered. You'll notice that without these vlogs or videos, whatever you want to call them, they are going to be a bit scattered just because I do tackle different rooms each and every day. So it's a bit different. Anyway, not the point. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're enjoying these Moving Chronicles and everything like that, you should definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I upload a video every single Thursday at 12 PM. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your grandma, tell your aunties. I'm the cool auntie. I feel like I'm the cool auntie. I feel like I give off really good cool auntie vibes. That's not the point. All my social media links will be linked down below like always. I'll also link my previous video. I've only done one previous video on the Moving Chronicles, but I'll leave the playlist link down below so you guys can see all parts when they are uploaded. I hope you guys are looking forward to whatever happens next in these Moving Chronicles, which is very exciting. I love you guys very much. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Why do I keep doing finger guns? Oh my god. Okay, bye.